I got up on some wet grass, lost control of the car. The front end was caved in, the sides were all messed up. I just couldn't figure out how I got through it without any serious injury.
A oncoming driver ran through a red light, clipped the back of my right side of the car and spun us around, and just that crunch, that sound that's so hard to get rid of.
When our customers get into a wreck, we pride ourselves on being able to take that stressful situation and really turn it into something that builds a bond of trust between the customer and Hewlett Collision Center.
From making sure you're taken care of, from communication and the actual equipment to our technicians, all the things that are intricate in putting this process together. There's nothing more rewarding than the customer can go, wow, I'm in good hands. They're going to take care of me. Because life is complicated enough.
Everybody went above and beyond the call of duty to make sure that I was satisfied, that the work was, excellent, that it was done within a timely manner.
The only thing that we own in life as an organization is our integrity. And that integrity spills over into our brand. If it has the Hewlett name on it, it's going to stand for a certain level of quality.
We have state-of-the-art welding machines. We have state-of-the-art frame straightening machines. We have a state-of-the-art computerized paint booth. Not all collision centers do that. That really helps set us apart.
We work on Lexuses, we work on Mercedes, we work on everything because we can. We have the quality of workmanship and the quality of technicians that allows us to put things back to their specifications.
When I first saw the finished product, I couldn't believe how well it was. It so exceeded my expectations.
We know that you don't get in an accident every day, and so dealing with insurance companies, dealing with how long is it going to take, we take that because we're the experts in it, and we put people at ease. Last time they saw it, that car had been in a wreck. That car was damaged. That car, they thought, I wonder if it'll ever be like it was. We put it back like it was, present it back to the customers, and they're very excited to see their car.